where your grandchildren are subservient to monkeys.
You're pathetic.
It's easier to carry that on in your hand than holster it?
Stay away from me!
You.
This damn place.
Hockey rat.